cat. Okay guys, today with me, David Setiabudi, we are going to create a snowman. First, we are going to create 3 spheres in a different height and a different size. And here, we are going to align it, pull it a bit, okay? The bottom should be the biggest to make it stable. And as you see, that's the head, the body, and the foot. And I'm going to cut some there. Okay, with the hole. And then we group it and we have the other half. Now we are going to make the eye with the sphere. And now we are going to put for the nose with the cone. Put it orange and you see that one is a carrot. Yeah, you can imagine that one is a carrot. Yes, nice. Now I'm going to make the hat, okay, from a cylinder, and the other one, that one is also from a cylinder, and rotate it a bit and you can see the hat is tilted. Now I'm going to make the hand here. Okay, the finger, I think 3 is enough. Is from a tree branch. Yeah, it has 3 fingers. Rotate it a bit and put it in the body. Yeah, I'm going to duplicate that one and reflect using mirror. Now this one, yes, I'm going to make a color. Yes, make it thin and make it the right color and put it there. Yes, rotate a bit. Done for the snowman. Now I'm duplicating the snowman without the hat, and now I'm trying to make the hat for not the snowman. This is a snow woman. Now to make the hole. Oops, it's not accurate. It's not in the middle. So be sure that it's in the middle. You put it there. Yes, rotate a bit. Yeah, I'm going to type the angle, and yes, I think this one, put it here and put it here. Okay, I think I'm going to change this one and put it at the back. Okay, nice one. Okay, make it longer. Yes, it's more nice. Let's see now how to make it nicer. I'm going to make a necklace. Yes, put it there, duplicate, and put them in the exact location. Okay, since it's 3D, you see there's an X, Y, Z. You need to put it at the right X, the right Y, and the right Z. Now I'm going to make a big diamond there. Ooh, I think it's a ruby because it's red. And also I'm going to make for the earring. Nice! See? The Tinkercad snowman is done. With the snow woman. They are in love. Yeah! See? Now, you see this one is in my copy. This one is the snowman. You see? It's nice, huh? One pair of snowman and snow woman. Yeah!